Choosing the right keyboard can make or break your gaming experience. If you're still using a bulky keyboard, you might be missing out on speed and precision that mini mechanical keyboards can offer. Today, we're diving into the top 5 mini mechanical keyboards for gaming, ensuring you find the best fit for your setup. Stick around to discover which model stands out as our top pick for 2026, and trust me, you won't want to miss this one. Links in the description for current prices. And don't forget to subscribe for more great content. MageGee Portable 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The MageGee Portable 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is a top choice for gamers looking for an efficient blend of space-saving design and performance. This compact keyboard features a 60% layout that omits the number pad, making it perfect for those with limited desk space. It boasts customizable RGB backlighting, allowing users to personalize their gaming setup with a spectrum of colors. The mechanical switches provide tactile feedback, enhancing your typing and gaming experience. While it is lightweight and easily portable for on-the-go gaming, some users may find the lack of function keys a bit limiting for certain games or tasks. Overall, it's an excellent choice for gamers who prioritize both style and functionality. GEODMAER 65% Gaming Keyboard. The GEODMAER 65% Gaming Keyboard offers a solid gaming experience with its compact design and robust features. Its 65% layout retains important function keys while eliminating the number pad, striking a balance between space-saving and functionality. Designed for gamers who value customization, this keyboard comes with programmable keys and vibrant RGB lighting, allowing for a fully personalized setup. The mechanical switches deliver a satisfying click response, perfect for fast-paced gaming sessions. Although it's a fantastic option for gamers and typists alike, users seeking a more traditional full-size layout may find it slightly challenging. However, for those who embrace the compact design, the GEODMAER is a winner. Razer BlackWidow V3 Mini Wireless Mechanical Gaming. The Razer BlackWidow V3 Mini Wireless Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is a powerhouse in a compact form. Renowned for its ultra-fast connectivity, this keyboard can switch between wired and wireless modes seamlessly, providing gamers with flexibility for any gaming setup. Its compact design does not compromise on features, as it retains Razer's signature mechanical switches for a responsive feel. Additionally, the customizable RGB lighting lets you sync with other Razer gear for a unified gaming experience. This keyboard is ideal for gamers who enjoy a clean setup without sacrificing performance. However, the price point might be higher than other mini options, but the premium features justify the investment for serious gamers. 60% Wired Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The 60% Wired Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is an impressive option for gamers seeking a simple yet effective solution for their gaming needs. This keyboard's minimalist design eliminates unnecessary bulk while still offering responsive mechanical switches that enhance gameplay. It features customizable RGB lighting, which not only adds to your gaming ambiance, but also helps in identifying keys in low light situations. Best for avid gamers and casual users alike, the compact size enhances portability without sacrificing performance. The only minor drawback is the absence of dedicated media controls, which may not appeal to everyone. Still, for most gamers, this keyboard provides an excellent balance of usability and price. Guiheng Wired Portable 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Guiheng Wired Portable 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard excels in providing a top-tier gaming experience without the bulk of a traditional keyboard. This model is particularly well-suited for gamers who prioritize speed and precision in their gameplay. With its compact 60% design, it saves space while delivering the tactile feedback that mechanical switches are known for. The customizable RGB effects are not just visually appealing, they also allow gamers to create a personalized atmosphere during intense gaming sessions. Additionally, the affordability of the Guiheng makes it accessible for all types of gamers. However, those who frequently use function keys may find the layout a bit limiting. Still, it stands out as the best option for gamers seeking performance and style in one package. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the top mini mechanical keyboards for gaming in 2026. Whether you're looking for portability, responsiveness, or customizable features, there's definitely a keyboard on this list that will elevate your gaming experience. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and grab your favorite model today. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more insightful reviews. Happy gaming!